Hey guys, my name is Blasian Bunny and I am a full-time reseller on the Whatnot app where I sell exotic snacks from all over the world. If you guys did not know, you can actually get free boxes from the United States Postal Service. It is so easy and convenient. They will send you as many boxes as you want. All you have to do is go online and set up an account. I'll go ahead and show you how to do that because I actually need to order some boxes. So let's do that together right now. If that sounds interesting to you, stick around and be sure to give this video a like and subscribe so you never miss out on new content. Is we're gonna go to USPS.com and you're gonna have to make an account. It's very easy, straightforward. So just go ahead and do this. I'm already logged in, so we're gonna start there. You're gonna go up here at the top bar where it says quick tools, and then you're just gonna go to this part right here that says free boxes. Now it will automatically check these two items here, but you're also going to want to check this item right here that says priority mail. Okay, so these are all of the options that you guys can get for free. If you notice, it says $0.00, so you know you've done it right if you don't see a price on there. Now, a couple things to keep in mind. There's technically a couple different priority options. There is priority mail, and then there's priority flat rate. Depending on which option you want, just keep that in mind when you guys are ordering. We'll talk more about priority versus flat rate later on in the video, but just keep that in mind when you guys are ordering items. And then just FYI, there's actually one called Priority Mail Express. Never get these express ones. Whatnot does not support the express mail ones, so just keep that in mind. You need to either have priority mail or priority flat rate. You know you've done it right when the packaging has this red stripe on it. I believe the express ones might have blue stripes, so just keep that in mind as you guys are ordering. So they have Tyvek envelopes. These are going to be like really strong envelopes that won't tear. These are really nice. It looks like you can get a pack of 10. They have bubble padded envelopes. Make sure you guys notice the size as well. So this one is going to be saying small. And then this one here, if you keep loading down, it says medium. Okay, so just keep that in mind as you guys are ordering your supplies. I get a range of small, medium, and large items. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the ones that I use most often. Oh, and then here we go, friends. See that express one? See how it has that blue line? So do not get the ones that have the blue on it, okay? So here are some of the items that you guys can get. I really enjoy, and you will determine which boxes you like. These are just the ones that I like. I've been doing this for a while, and based on what I sell, these are the packages that I like. But I really, really love this one right here. This is the largest box they offered to us for free. It is going to be a 12 by 12 by 8. You can get a pack of 10 or a pack of 25. Now keep this in mind, friends, that this right here, when it says choose quantity, you are not typing how many boxes you want. For example, if you're like, okay, I need 20 boxes. If you guys notice, if I type in 20, it is going to say total pieces of 500. They will bring 500 boxes to your door. So it is going to be packs of 25. So make sure you're paying attention to that. If you're not really good at math, just go ahead and just look at total pieces, and now it says 25. So you can go ahead and add that to your shopping cart, and we're going to continue on. So I like the large boxes. When you're all done checking out, all you have to do is go up here to your shopping cart, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit and just double check. And like, say for if you change your mind, you're like, oh my gosh, I actually need more than that, you can always just update it, do 2, but you have to make sure you hit update. If you don't hit update, it will not refresh. So there's your 50 pieces right there. But I just want 25. So we're gonna go ahead and bring that back. Okay, and then we're gonna hit check out now. Once you hit checkout now, I'm gonna block out all my information. You're just gonna want to put ship to this address. And then once you hit ship to his address, this is very, very important. If you mess this stuff up, you will have to pay. So if you guys notice right here, it says USPS Ground Advantage delivers between 2 to 5 business days. You want to select this one. You want to select this one. If you accidentally select priority mail, it will charge you, okay? And usually when I order a whole bunch of packing supplies, it will be like hundreds of dollars. So you want to make sure that you click Ground Advantage, and then you're going to hit confirm shipment. Once you do that, it will give you a success. You've ordered your items, and you should see your items within 2 to 5 business days. So it's super easy and convenient.
If you don't know which boxes you need, because I know it can seem a little bit overwhelming, try to just order a little bit of everything. That way when it comes in, you can decide which boxes are your favorite. At least that's what I did. I ordered like one of everything so that I could understand which boxes worked best for my items. If you have any questions, be sure to comment them down below. And if this video helped you in any way, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you never miss out on future content to make your Whatnot business succeed.